Well, today at the state capitol, the DFL Reproductive Freedom Caucus outlined its priorities for the legislative session.
We are fighting to ensure Minnesota is a place where every person can decide to have a child, not have a child, raise children and families in safe and sustainable communities, and have gender freedom and bodily autonomy.
The Equal Rights Amendment is among bills they'd like to pass. Last year it made it through the House, did not make it through the Senate. It would protect Minnesotans against discrimination based on race, gender identity, sexual orientation, pregnancy outcomes, and more. And if approved this session, the Equal Rights Amendment would go before Minnesota voters in 2026. Some bills making their way through the Minnesota legislature right now seem to have the imprint of some policies the Trump administration is pursuing in Washington. As Chief Political Reporter Tom Hauser tells us, one bill would prohibit undocumented workers from getting public health care through Minnesota Care.
Representative Schultz, go ahead.
Under a power-sharing agreement, Republicans temporarily have a one-vote majority on the House Health, Finance, and Policy Committee. They used that majority to pass a bill that would prohibit undocumented residents from receiving Minnesota Care health coverage or academic scholarships.
We want hardworking citizens of our country and of our state.
Bill author, Representative Isaac Schultz, says it's a matter of fairness.
Should Minnesota taxpayers and the people who receive health care, who are legal citizens, should they be paying the bill for people who do not have legal status in our state?
Democrats say those undocumented residents will still need health care, but hospitals and taxpayers would now bear the burden.
You think that you're only hurting undocumented people and you're somehow helping the other taxpayers? Wrong.
Meanwhile, the House Transportation Committee heard a bill that would sharply increase the annual fee on electric vehicles from the existing surcharge of $75 to $150.
And I think many in my caucus have concerns about adding costs to EVs. It is still early in the growth of that market.
We have roads and bridges to take care of. Those who drive vehicles that are not EV have an automatic gas inflator tied to them every time they pump up. So I'm paying it every time I drive down here.
Also in the Transportation Committee, lawmakers heard a bill that would earmark $14 million to help the Duluth Airport build a new air traffic control tower. The current tower is among the oldest in the nation. At the Capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.